Hi, today I will show you how to make this paper wall decoration. So for this we need a scale, a pencil, glue and a scissor and any color sheet paper of your choice, any color. So for this I have chosen yellow. So for this we need a square sheet. So this is rectangle, we will make first square. So just do like this and we will cut this part because we don't need this for this artwork. Just cut it like this and you can put it aside and fold it again like this just from here to here, just fold it again, press it here and this is done. So from here now we have to make points of 1 centimeter.
Can you show one more time?
1 centimeter is this of 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter is this, like centimeter is this scale. I will show you there properly. So this is the centimeter. 1 centimeter is from here to here. So 2 centimeter is this. So at the gap of every 1 centimeter we just put the dots, very light dots, not so dark, like this. It's done. And from here also you can do like this, like it's coming to 5, just make dots like this, just put light lines or dots, anything. From here also just do the same thing and with the help of scale just make straight lines.
Now you are connecting all three dots.
Yes, connecting all 3 dots, make straight lines. That's it.
Okay.
Just make straight lines of 1 centimeters gap. Just do like this, very light lines, not so dark. Like this, till the end. We have to do like this. Yeah, from here. And now the next step is cutting. Let's make some straight. Yeah, now it's done. Now the scissor part will come and then we have to cut, like from here we'll start cutting.
From the open area.
It doesn't matter, you can start from the open area or from the closed area, it's up to you. I will tell you the next step, just relax and like if I'm cutting from here, the next line I will cut from the opposite direction, from here, and just leave a little bit space here. Don't cut till the end, through the end, just leave some space, and from here I will cut the opposite side. It's like that. Yeah. So what you can do, we can do like this, make first cut these lines first and then go to the opposite side. We can do like this. Just cut it like this. Just leave some space there, don't cut through the end. And make a gap of 1 line and do other, make a gap of 1 line and do the other. And here also, just skip 1 line and do the next. We can go to the opposite side as it's done. So the left lines we have to do, it's simple. Just leave some space there. And next is this. We are almost done. Just leave some space there. Some space, and it's done. When the whole thing is done, it will show like this, right? Because we have cut the opposite sides, that's why. And now we can open this slowly. And open from here also. Take the next line, open each and every line. And it will come like this. So like this I have made another one with this blue paper. So when I will open this, it will also come like this. Just make 2 or 3 or any of your choice quantity, it's up to you. So you can put it together on top of each other, and now the glue part is there. You need to use glue. On the sides just put some glue, like one corner. On all 4 corners just put glue. Stick it with glue. Corner to corner, all 4 corners. Stick it nicely. And with this also you have to do the same thing, corner to corner. Just stick it together. Corner to corner, the last corner, stick it together, and it's done. Now when I will hold this, it will come like this. You can make with any color sheet of your choice. I have chosen yellow and blue for this, and that I used purple and pink. So it's like this. You can decorate it vertically or horizontally. It's up to you. So it's like this. And the best part is that then when you are done with this, you can put it like this also, and you can use the next time if you want. So this I made earlier to show you with purple and pink sheet. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video, and please subscribe to my channel and smash the like button, and please subscribe to my husband's channel. His channel's name is Rise Analytics, and to my son's channel, his channel's name is Sadiq's World. Thank you. Bye bye.